Hey guys, let's take a look at this cocktail shaker. If you like throwing parties or just making cocktails for yourself, it would be a perfect thing to have at home. It's stainless steel. It has a cup to close it, no leaking, proven. It has a strainer. Capacity of this shaker is 24 ounces. With this shaker you also get this measuring jigger. It 1 ounce from one side and half ounces from other side. Very convenient to use. You're also getting this spoon. You see the size. Very convenient, easy to use, easy to store, nice looking, and it comes with the recipe book. I like using this shaker anytime when I want to try some cocktail, and so will you. Thank you for